Are you planning a vacation or even just a weekend getaway and want to have the best time possible? Looking for a memorable trip that is also low stress? Well then, buckle up and get ready for 5 of our best travel tricks and tips that take that vacation to the next level. First up, pack light. The first vacation my wife and I took was a camping road trip from Pennsylvania to the Florida Gulf Coast. And boy, did we overpack. Bad part is, half of the stuff we brought never even came out of the back end of the SUV. Justify everything, and if it comes down to just in case we decide to, then leave it at home. Minimalist is better, but make sure you keep the essentials. If you can fit everything in a backpack, so much the better. As for flying, using only a carry-on if you legally can lets you skip that annoying baggage claim carousel. See? Less stress already. Next, use rewards credit cards to earn points you can redeem for flights, hotels, restaurant gift cards, or even experiences like bungee jumping, skydiving, or the more sedate adventures we prefer like sunset dolphin cruises. But don't rely on credit cards only. We found some fantastic hole-in-the-wall type places we love to stop at where cash is not only king, but the only way to pay. So it's a good idea to include a debit card or some cash in your must-take list. Don't settle for the first accommodations you find. Use online booking sites to compare prices and read reviews from other travelers. We also use Google Maps Street View to get a good look at the property in the neighborhood rather than relying on the carefully curated photos on booking sites. The next tip is do your homework before you go. Research your destination and make a list of must-do places and activities to make the most of your trip. Our personal caveat here, though, is must-dos are more wanna-dos. We tend to not rigidly plan a lot of things prior to our trip, but rather decide in the morning what, if anything, we want to check off that list. Finally, do you want to save money and live like a local? Then skip the hotel and stay in a vacation rental. You'll have more space on those foul weather days, a full kitchen, more privacy, and as a bonus, maybe even a pool or hot tub. Well, there you have it, folks. Our top 5 tips to get the most out of your vacation time. If you have any more tips and tricks, share them in the comments. And be sure to like and subscribe for travel ideas, great places to visit, and things to do. Thanks for sticking around with us. Until next time, have a great week.